Ma.
Logan, you wanna look at this here? Look at this is all your cousins. Haley.
A.
Aiden.
X.
Emma.
H.
Aubrey.
Abby.
And Logan.
No. Up. Up.
Say Emma.
Emma.
Emma. How about Haley?
A.
Yep. How about Aiden?
A.
How about Aubrey?
Abby.
Very good.
Alright.
Can you say doggy?
Daddy.
Can you say Graham?
Them.
Poppy?
Bobby.
Grandma? You say grandma?
Grandma? How about Grandpa?
Dummer.
Grandpa? Can you say doggy?
Ducky.
Apple?
Apple.
How about your last name, Walensky?